Hey everyone, I'm Brooke.
And I'm Bryan.
And we're here today to give you all of the good insight on our August 2022 issue.
So, Brooke, tell me what your favorite one from this month is, and let's have a look-see.
Yes, so my absolute favorite collection from this month's issue is our Mod Alphabet. Now, for this Mod Alphabet, you get all of the fun letters that come along with our alphabet. There's embroidery, there's some fun fabrics, and they're freestanding pieces that you can make into anything that you truly desire.
Yes, and it just uses a few simple techniques. So basically just appliquing. You're doing freestanding, but we're going to use trapunto technique in there as well to kind of give it that puffy look. So a lot of fun.
Yeah, you can turn these into keychains. You can turn them into magnets. Anything that you truly desire for this project, the opportunities are endless. Now, that collection was my favorite. Bryan, which one is your favorite?
Well, my favorite is from the farm. So I do some digitizing, but I also grew up doing realistic art, still life, etc. So I love being able to replicate that with embroidery through our digitizing software. So as you can see here, we have lots of different scenes from the farm. And like this one here that uses just applique and embroidery to create these beautiful designs. You have a hidden applique for the base and then loose embroidery on top, still giving you 100% coverage. Absolutely beautiful. I know most of you are going to absolutely love just the other sample I'm going to show you of the rooster scene at sunrise going cock-a-doodle-doo, because that's what roosters do. But anyway, I love the realism that's in this art. The ease of stitching it out is nothing because you're just following the steps and changing thread.
Absolutely. And what makes this collection even better is if you are an all-access exclusive member, you will receive exclusive DIYs with Anita, which may include from the farm.
So next up, Brooke, why don't you start off on this project here?
Yes, so this is an awesome collection that is coming out. This is our mini gift card bags. This also comes in many designs. So we have a happy birthday, we have a warm wishes, which is perfect gift cards for the Christmas season.
Or cheers.
Which is
honestly,
even better.
That could be any day of the week. Tuesday, rough day at work, cheers. Here's a gift card.
Yeah, so this project is absolutely awesome. It is created right in the hoop, so you can utilize this project as easy as possible.
Excellent. Well, I also know that we have these autumn doilies, or dwallies, tomato, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Do you say dwally or doily?
Doily.
So these doilies are basically done as lace work. So you're hooping a water-soluble stabilizer. You're just running through some basic applique where necessary, embroidery, wash it away, and you're left with a quick and easy gift. You can make tons of these throughout the year to either use on your table or...
They also come with freestanding designs. So while you're decorating your landscape on your table, add a little bit of emphasis to your tablescapes by using these 3D pieces.
Or maybe you decided that you really want a pumpkin on one of your fall sweaters. So now it's a pumpkin patch.
Oh, let's see what you did there. That's good.
All right, moving on to the next one. So
here we have our circular botanicals. Now, this quilt is super cute. It has, we use some tonal stitching and threads within this design. It also has a realistic hand-like sketching that is also done as well.
Yeah, I remember when Steve first kind of came up with this type of design concept many years ago, and I really like the look because it does have those thicker plies and the running stitches, which kind of lends itself to a more hand-stitched look. So as Brooke did, she spent all weekend stitching this out, sewed it together, and told all of her friends that she just did it by hand.
Everyone. So while we're on the topic of hand stitching, we also have another quilt as well that hops into this. Bryan, if you'd like to hold this one up for me.
Absolutely.
So you can see here that we have our Dragonfly garden. Now this is done very beautifully as it features organza and vinyl to give that beautiful wing-like effect on our dragonflies. It also has a realistic hand-drawn effect as well with some satin stitches in there to really give the emphasis on those dragonflies. You can also see that we played around with our folded fabric borders, and this time around we did something a little bit different where we used a velvet fabric, which I'm sure was very fun for our seamstresses to put together.
I was going to say, what is that, velvet?
It is velvet. So it's another great way to add dimension and color to your design, along with that organza and vinyl that we incorporated in this collection.
I really like this one because of the translucent effect from using that clear vinyl, and organza really lends itself to the aesthetic approach of how dragonfly wings actually look.
Yes.
So awesome.
Absolutely beautiful. And so now we're on to our very last collection that we have here for you. Although this is our last collection to talk about today, this is just a small snippet of what we have to offer for our All Access 2022 issue. So this is our Blue Work Autumn. I'll have Bryan here hold it for you. He's modeling it for us today. Now this pillow is created using one color, which is super easy and simple. And it's just a very beautiful, simple embroidery to add to any project.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, you can have your own pattern to make a pillow if you want. Or if you have a pillowcase at home, you can just flip it right side out, take out those overlock stitches, stitch on it, and then serge it back together. You got a beautiful design on there, custom done by you, on whatever you like.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And although this collection is called Blue Work Autumn, feel free to use any color that you truly desire for your project.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's awesome. And as she mentioned, you know, there's several other things that are coming out in August as well. So take a look, because this is just a small portion of it. We've got a lot of awesome stuff packed in there for you. And where can they go if they want to get a huge discount because they liked everything they saw here and they want it all in one bundle?
Absolutely. So if you're looking to become an All Access member today, you can head on over to our website and we'll happily help you along the way.
Awesome. Well, once again, this is Bryan with Anita Goodesign.
And I'm Brooke. Thank you for joining us.
Take care.